Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to export Excel data to binary workbook. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So this data I'm going to export to binary workbook. Okay, go to the file tab, then click on the export option, then click on here change file type. Then in change file tab in workbook file types, click on the binary workbook. Okay, and after that click on the save as, and that's it. You can see the save as dialog box is open. Select the destination where you want to save, so I select the desktop, and if you want to change the file name you can edit here. So I simply edit here, I remove this one number. Okay, and the file save as type is binary, is selected Excel binary workbook and click on save, and that's it. I just go to the desktop and here you can see your Excel sales data is binary workbook. When you keep cursor on this Excel file, you can see the file type is Microsoft Excel binary workbook. Okay, hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.